Hi, my name is Shibin. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about construction site. How this construction site is moving, what are the documentation is required, how one engineer need to be performed at site, or how one management need to be performed at site, and how this kind of big projects are completing. What is the structure? I will tell you in this video, including documentation. I will tell you. The beginning, first we will take the project from the client or consultant, whoever we are dealing. As we are a contractor, I will speak in I am a contractor. Like this basis, I will talk to you. If I am getting a new project, I will get only two documents. One is project specification, and the other one is IFC drawing. This is a major documents we will get from the client or consultant, whoever it is. They will issue only these two things. Based on these two things, we need to develop shop drawing, and there is some other documentation also, like project method statement we need to prepare, and material submittal we need to prepare, and inspection documents we need to prepare. These things we need to prepare at site. So we will start from the shop drawing. Without a shop drawing we cannot execute the work. This is very important. Because in the IFC drawing, there will not be any details. The execution team, whoever working at site, they cannot execute the project without the proper shop drawing. Because in the IFC drawing, there will not be proper levels of the service, and there will not be proper diameter of the service, and maybe there is no, for example, ducting work. Which kind of duct? GA duct or pre-insulated duct? This kind of things will not mentioned in our IFC drawing. Moreover, there is so many combination services are there, like HVAC services, plumbing services is there, and electrical services are there, firefighting services are there. So all this will be messed out if there is no shop drawing, because after shop drawing we will prepare composite drawing, means coordination drawing we will prepare. So each service on which level it is passing very clearly mentioned in shop drawing. Based on shop drawing only we will execute the work at site. Then one more important thing, in the shop drawing some things we will not change never ever. That I will tell you which are the things, like equipments. Equipment location we will not change from the IFC until unless there is a proper RFI. RFI what is, I will tell you later. And final destination points, like grills, diffuser locations, and pipe tap locations, or sprinkler locations. These are the things we will slightly adjust, but will not delete or will not add extra, because this is all based on money. Also we don't have much authority to change this all the location, because firefighting sprinkler location is completely based with civil defense approval. If we are changing the location and we are replacing, okay, we don't have a provision here, okay, we will put it in another location. No, firefighting things should be in the proper location. Also in AC, grills and diffuser location should be same, because the airflow is prepared based on that one. Also in the plumbing, water supply, drainage locations we cannot change. These all the things, if we cannot install in that area, we need to prove to the consultant. Then what we will do, we will make RFI. RFI means a request for clarification. If we are unable to install one service, we will raise RFI to consultant, and we will say that this portion, this area we cannot install so and so services. Then consultant will give you the clarification. They will discuss and they will give the clarification. For example, one AC machine is there, AC indoor unit, like a fan coil unit is there. We cannot install in one room because the room is small and the fan coil unit is big. Then we will make RFI to the consultant, and we will say that okay, we cannot install this machine here, we need to relocate. Then consultant, they will decide where we will install. Maybe we can give the proposal drawing where we can proposal drawing we can give where we can install it, but finally they are the authorized persons. If we are changing those equipments and the final destination points and so things, what will happen? There is other related services also there. Like for mechanical, we are relocating the equipment. There is electrical point will be there, and there is fire alarm point will be there. All these things will change. So we will never ever go to change so and so things. And if there is something is not clear in the drawing, also we can submit RFI. This is official way. In any site we can submit this one. Then the client or consultant, they are responsible to clarify our RFI. We need to give the reasons, and this is the thing. Okay, next we will go to method statement. Shop drawing we cleared already how it is. Next is method statement. Method statement what means? How we are handling the project, like from material storage itself we will start. How we will storage, where we will storage, and how we will take to the site, and how we will install one by one, step by step. For example, we are installing duct. Okay, what is the distance we need to provide a support, what is the road diameter is there, what is the schedule of threaded rod diameter. For example, 1 meter by 1 meter duct, what is the threaded rod diameter, and what distance we will provide a support, and what kind of bolt we are using, or double bolt or single bolt, or in the bottom of the duct we are providing any suspension or something. Okay, or there is a pad or something is there. Okay, that we are providing or no, because once the support is there, the duct insulation will go inside. That's a rigid support. Yes, rigid support is there or no. These all things we will mention in our method statement. Also, how we will do the testing. For example, water supply pipe method statement we are preparing. We will do 10 bar hydraulic pressure testing for 2 hours or 3 hours, whatever it is. We will mention in our method statement. Okay, drainage pipe, we will do the gravity test. 1.5 meter head we will provide in one end, and another end we will make a dummy, and we will just do the gravitation test. These all things we will do. Or for example, if we have external chilled water pipe, we have there is 2 types of test is there. One is dye penetration test is there, and another one is X-ray test is there. Which kind of testing we will use, we will mention over there. And of course, there is a part is there for HSC. In all the method statement, the HSC, that means the site safety person, they will countersign. They will prepare the safety plans they will incorporate the safety plans. The site engineer should not pass the method statement without safety engineer or safety supervisor, because they are the main part because in Gulf countries, especially in the Gulf countries, safety is very, very important. Safety first. Everybody, they will say safety first. Yes, of course, for us all safety is first. So based on the, once we prepare the method statement, we will submit it to the client officially or consultant officially. They will approve it. Once they approve this one, they will return back to us 1 copy. Then we will keep it as a record with us. Before I told you about shop drawing also. Shop drawing also, once we submitted, they will give the approval. Then that copy we will keep with us. All this copy we will keep with us, because any argument is coming, this is the proof. Like this. The another is material submittal. Very, very important thing is that material submittal. How we will do the material submittal? For what purpose we are doing material submittal? Thing is that when the client or consultant, they will give the project to us, the project specification is there and the shop drawing is there. In the project specification, there is certain pipe, which type of pipe, everything they will mention, and which brand or what is the class. All these things they will not mention. Maybe sometimes they will mention. So for example, I will tell you the drainage pipe UPVC. Drainage pipe UPVC, which class we are going to install, who is the supplier, who is the manufacturer, who is the how is their HSC plan. All the things will be there. Like I will tell you from the beginning, I will tell you what are the things is there in the material submittal. One is manufacturer company profile, supplier company profile, and there is selection sheets are there, which are the pipes, which are the things, or for example equipments, which are the equipments, like selection sheet will be there, HSC plan will be there, and there is test certificates are there. These pipes and other things they will randomly they will check, or maybe sometimes all the things we need to be checked, like metal type pipes, all the pipes we need to do the testing. They will do, there is so many types of testing is there. They will give the heat number and all. They will do the testing. That certificate we need to attach, and project catalog supplier catalog we need to attach, and so on so things we need to attach with this material submittal. There are some other items also there. I don't remember exactly, but these are the main things what you need to attach. The main thing is that the selection sheet is very important in the material submittal. Then what the consultant they will do, they will refer the material submittal. Once we submit it to consultant, they will refer the material submittal, and they will check one by one what kind of pipe you are using, what is a class, what is a brand, everything. Okay, then they will give the approval, and they will give a cover letter also along with that. Then what the next procedure is that the same material we will bring from the supplier or manufacturer, we will bring to the site. Okay, then what we will do, we will make a material inspection. Material inspection, how we will do means, this approved material submittal, there will be a certificate. We will attach that certificate along with our inspection request. There is a form also is there. We will attach that form, and we will attach some documents like tester certificate. Also there is a material delivery note, quantity, everything will be there. Those things we will attach, and we will submit for material inspection. Then the site engineer will go to the site, and consultant will come to the site, and they will combine, and QA/QC engineer will be there. They will check the project practically at site, what is came, everything they will check it. And one point I missed out, while we submitting the material submittal, sometimes we are submitting samples also. Okay, if sample is there as a masterpiece, they will compare this delivered material with the sample. Then the things will be very easy. This is the step. Okay, material submittal. This is the step. The another step is that installation. How we will do the installation means, there is a method statement we already discussed. As per the method statement, we will do the installation at site. We will bring all the safety requirements. Safety, the people should be PP complete. PP means personal protective equipment should be there, like helmet, jacket. There is a reflective jacket is there. Helmet should be there. Safety shoes should be there. So depends upon the normal working condition. This is okay, and for it's like concerned space and other things, it is different. If working it is in long height means we need to put safety belt and all other things. This all safety measures should be we should follow, because this is very strict in Gulf countries. Such a way we can start our installation. After installing the project as per approved shop drawing, we will evaluate whether okay, this is installed is proper or no. By ourselves as a site engineer, we need to evaluate everything. After that, what we will do, we will go for installation inspection. Installation inspection, what are the documents we need to attach, I will tell you. The highlighted shop drawing, which are the portion you are installing, the highlighted shop drawing we need to attach. We will take a piece of like A3 size is enough. We will attach that one. There is an inspection request form we need to attach in the front, and in the second, as I told you, the highlighted drawing, and approved shop drawing, one big screen like A3 size also, full approved shop drawing with consultant stamped drawing is there, that we need to attach. Then stamp it and submit for officially for installation inspection. Then the consultant and the QA/QC engineer and the client, by ourselves. For example, I am a mechanical engineer, I will go to site. I will together we will they will check the project site, and okay, if they will check these are things like the installation is done as per drawing or no, or installation is done as per approved material or no, because that's why there is a material submittal I told you before. Installation is done by as per project specification or no. These all things they will check, and they will give the comment over there. Okay, everything is done properly. If something is not done properly, okay, installation is not done properly, they will, of course, they will comment over there. Okay, then once they approved or rejected, whatever. Approved means okay, khalas, the handing over people, they will do the further steps, like for example, handing over a team is their final project close out team. They will rectify those minor comments which are there. If it is a major comment by construction people itself, they will clear it and they will go from the site. So this is up to here, this is the documentation part, and the installation part also. The flow I explained already. Then there is a final thing is that testing and commissioning. Clearly I am saying this is part by part only we done the installation, like one floor or half area or one room, like that we will do the installation. So finally what we will do, finally we will do installation. For example, firefighting, we will do complete piping for a tower project. Then we will do for firefighting there is so many steps are there. One floor we completed, we need to do the flushing, like cleaning the firefighting pipe, and there is a sprinkler installation, and there is a step by step procedure is there that we will incorporate in the method statement. The testing and commissioning team, what they will do, even pump room also we need to install, pump room everything we need to do as per the drawing. Then testing and commissioning team, they will come and check all the parameters, they will check all the location of anti pipe, where are it is going, everything is okay. Then they will start to charge. Charge means they will pressurize from the pump slowly. It will take time, sometimes 3 or 4 or 5 days it will take for energizing the system, firefighting service. This is very complicated. Sometimes even we done all the testing, while commissioning it will blast somewhere. If the support is not correct or something is not correct, it will start blasting. So this is very important, and we will there is a certain pressure requirement is there, 300 psi or 320 psi, whatever it is. That I will tell you how to make the psi, everything, pressure, how much it is make. In the next further videos I will explain to you how to make that kind of designs and all. Now we will discuss the completion part. Then the testing and commissioning people, they will energize everything, pump everything is running, okay, and they will test it also. For example, they will go and break one sprinkler point, and the jockey pump should run, and if it is pressure 2 sprinkler or 3 sprinkler it is breaking, then water requirement is more, than automatically electrical pump and further diesel pump, everything is running. This there is a system is there. Okay, we will not go detail about that. We will come to the brief, because that video will be very big size. That's the reason. Okay, such kind of way. Okay, then after firefighting, testing and commissioning, we will call civil defense. There is a proper requirement is there. We need to put application for civil defense inspection. This is a very, very important point, that in the project civil defense approved means it is very big task is completed. That's the reason, because civil defense, they will not give approval very fast. Every parameter or every signage, everything is correct. Okay, they will do, and they will check the fire alarm point also, even sprinkler point also. Everything they will check, then only they will give the approval. This is very, very important. Same scenario, plumbing, HVAC, everything we will energize. HVAC and plumbing services, mechanical service I am talking about. HVAC and plumbing services, no need for any civil defense approval and all. Okay, maybe they will point out in while firefighting inspection, but it is not mandatory for civil defense approval. Testing and commissioning, its team itself, they will do the testing. And all what will check in the HVAC means if the airflow is coming is properly or no, all the rooms temperature is proper or no, means required design temperature is coming 21 or 22 degrees Celsius is coming or no, or airflow is coming properly or no, air velocity is proper or no. These all the things they will check, and there is a checklist is there. That checklist same like made installation inspection, we will submit it to the client, consultant. They will check it, they will come to site and they will measure it everything by themselves also, and they will approve it. Then this all the inspections records we have means finally we will make ceiling closure inspections also, because all the services is completed in one room or no, in such kind of things are, because many services are there in MEP, like HVAC, firefighting, plumbing, ELV, low voltage, high voltage, everything is there, and telephone data, TV cable, some emergency circuits are there. So many services are there. All the services is completed or no, we will make like ceiling closure inspection. Ceiling closure inspection. Okay, this one we will prepare, and we will submit it to the consultant. Okay, can we close the ceiling or no? Like this. This is another part. So all this step is completed. The building completely, it is ceiling closure inspection is finished. Energization is finished, and testing and commission is finished. All the things is finished, means our work is almost over. Then finally, what will happen? When we completed all the works, as I said you, there is a comment which they mentioned in the installation inspection. Installation inspection, the first beginning, there is some comments was there. That will go to the snags, the snag list. Snag, there is a big list, 1,000, 2,000 comments will be there in a single paper, or multiple papers, bunch of paper, yes, correct, bunch of paper. These comments we need to rectify. Also, the site consultant and client, they will make a walk around at site before closing the ceiling, or before taking the handover. They will make the comment, okay, this pipe threaded, this support is not straight, or maybe okay, this there is no support, or there is no signage, or such kind of small things. They will make a big bunch of documents. This is called a snag list. This snag list, all comments we need to incorporate. As a site engineer, we need to go, and we need to take some people, and we need to go and attend, and we should clear all these comments. Then only our final project handover will finish. This is the normal work scenario for all the construction projects, which are I seen so far. In this video, I am concluding today. Okay, now I think you understand from the beginning to the end. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, and please click the bell button also, so that when I am uploading my new video, you can watch directly. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.